So yo guys, what is happening and welcome back to Shifting Gears. And in today's video I'm going to be going through the top 5 mods that I did to my Corsa VXR when I first brought it. So I'm just going to be going through like some cheap mods for the Corsa VXR. So if you have a Corsa VXR or whatever car it may be. So these are like top 5 mods, the cheap mods, they're affordable. I'll leave links in the description. I also want to say a big thank you to all you guys that have showed us love and support for the giveaway. Obviously we did a 500 subscriber giveaway. So the winner did get back to us. He wanted some 4D number plates with a tint, 4D gel. So obviously we've ordered them and we have sent them off to him. So we'll show you guys on Instagram as well how they look on the car. And he also has a Corsa VXR as well, black one. So they will look good on his car. So yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Now the first cheap mod that I believe that you need on your car is like social media stickers. So obviously if you have Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, whatever it may be, I would suggest that you get like some stickers on your car. Now I'm not saying like don't sticker bomb your car too much, because obviously I've only got a few stickers. I'll show you guys in a minute. So yeah, as you can see guys, obviously I've got the TikTok on there, and then obviously I've got a Deadly brand sticker and our YouTube channel as well, Shifting Gears. So I just feel like stickers just add a little touch to the car. They make the car look good. Obviously I've got red with the blue, and obviously I've got red pinstripe as well, so it matches all well and it looks really good. Now obviously don't sticker bomb your whole car. I just feel like a few stickers on the car here and there do look good. And obviously I've got the sun strip as well. I'll show you guys in a minute. Obviously I've got a sun strip as well, VXR Performance. And then obviously I've got the pinstripe. And I feel like they do look good. They make the car stand out a lot more, and there's a lot of colours that you can get as well. So obviously I gone for the red. It matches with the VXR badges, and then the pinstripe as well on the car. Obviously the car's a bit dirty, but it needs a bit of a clean. I just haven't had time, but they do look good guys. So I'd highly recommend that you get some social media stickers. It's like a cheap modification that you can do to your car guys. Obviously stickers aren't that expensive. They're only a couple of quid. Obviously you can go on Amazon, eBay, look on Google as well. There's loads of websites that you can get them from, and you can choose from different colors as well. So yeah guys, that is the first modification that you should do to your Corsa VXR. So moving on to the next modification that I believe that you should do to your Corsa VXR is painting your brake calipers, those the front and back. So you can do these any color that you want, whether it's red, black, blue. You can get paint from Halfords or anywhere. You can even order it online. But yeah, I feel like they do make a big difference to the car. They make the car stand out a lot more. So as you can see guys, obviously I've got the red calipers, and obviously I've got them at the front as well, but mine do need repainting. I will be repainting them in the future, but I'm not sure when. Obviously I've got red all around. I do feel like they look good, man. They stand out. Obviously from the distance as well, you can see them, like they just pop off. Obviously they need repainting because the paint on them's old now, but as you can see guys, it just stands out. It makes the car look a lot better. You can do this yourself as well. It's not really a hard job, or you can take it to a garage as well and get it done by a professional. But I did mine myself. Obviously I painted them red. I took each wheel off one at a time and just coated them over. Done about 2-3 coats. You can get paint from Halfords or anywhere. You can look on Google, whatever color you want to do them. Another thing to add on to that guys, obviously I do need to get my alloys refurbished because they are battered. Like they need to be refurbished, because as you can see, obviously my car's dirty as well, the wheels are dirty, but yeah, they do need refurbishing. So yeah guys, that is the second modification that I believe that you should do to your Corsa VXR. Brake calipers is paint them. It's not a hard job to do. You can do them yourself, or you can take it to a garage like I said. But yeah, that's the second one guys. So moving on to the third modification that I believe you should do to your Corsa VXR is badges, VXR badges, because at the front I don't think it came with it standard from factory. Obviously when I brought my Corsa VXR, it didn't come with the VXR badges. It only came with obviously the one at the back. So yeah, I had the back one on already. Obviously every VXR comes with that, but you know, at the front mine didn't come with that. So obviously I brought a VXR badge. I feel like it just stands out a lot more. As you can see guys, it just pops with the badge as well. It just stands out, makes the car look a lot more aggressive. Yeah guys, as you can see, my red is starting to fade. I did order some stickers. I do have them in the car, so obviously I just need to put some red stickers over that. But yeah, obviously with the number plates, it just stands out, makes the car look aggressive. Obviously if I show you from the distance, it stands out. You can tell it's a VXR, because obviously from factory they don't come with the front badge. I don't know why. Obviously mine didn't come with it anyway, but yeah, it had the back one. So if you want to fit that guys, obviously you got, I think there's a few bolts here that you open. Obviously you pop the hood, and then I didn't take the whole bumper off to do it because obviously I just slid my hands through the grill, opened it a bit and then just tightened the screws, and there you go, it's job done. Obviously it's a quick little job and they're only about £10. So yeah guys, that's the third modification that you should do to your Corsa VXR. Now moving on to the fourth modification, I believe that you need 4D number plates or 3D number plates, gel ones, whatever they may be, because obviously I feel like they make the car stand out a lot more, and they do look good like in 4D or gel. There's loads of options that you can get, and there's loads of places online which you can buy them from. So obviously with mine the 4D, and I've got thicker ones, I think they're 2-layer in red, and mine are 20% tinted as well, so they do look good. They make the car stand out a lot more. So as you can see guys, they do stand out and they do look good. Obviously I've got 20% tint on mine. Obviously you can't really tell with the tint, I didn't want them too dark, but from the side they do look good and they do stand out. Because I feel like with the plain number plates, they don't really look that good. Even if you don't have a private registration, I feel like they make a big difference to the car. They make the car stand out. As you can see there, they do look really good. And from the distance as well, they just stand out. I'll show you guys from the front as well. Obviously I've got the red, it all matches with the pinstripe and the badges. And obviously I've got VXR surrounds as well, which you can add on yourself. You can buy them, they're about £20, so yeah. And they do look really good. You can buy these from anywhere really, like online, Amazon, eBay. Obviously when I got mine done, I went to Top Gear number plates to get mine sorted, so yeah. That's the fourth modification that I believe you need to do to your Corsa VXR. 4D number plates, 3D number plates. There's literally so many options you can choose from. If you have a look online, have a look at some other designs as well. There's literally so much you can do. And so moving on to the fifth modification that I believe you need to do to your Corsa VXR is a rear spoiler lip, because I feel like from the back without the spoiler lip, it lets the car down a bit. I'll show you guys in a minute from the distance, but I feel like with the spoiler lip, obviously I've got Maxon design one, and I think it's about £100, £120-ish. All you do is add double-sided sticky tape and just literally stick it down. Obviously use a hairdryer as well with that. It's literally a quick little modification you can do yourself. So it does make a big difference. Obviously I've got, mine is Maxon design, and it just makes the car look a lot more better. It makes the spoiler look so much better, like from factory as well. Obviously you get spoiler, and then it just stands out a lot more. Because obviously I've got the full Maxon design kit on my car, the front splitter, side skirts, rear spats, and obviously I've got the spoiler lip as well, and I feel like it just makes a big difference. As you can see guys, it just makes the spoiler look so much better. I mean, double-sided sticky tape does hold it in place. So as you can see guys, it's literally on solid, it ain't going nowhere. Obviously this side's come a bit loose, I might have to do it again, but it's literally on solid and it does look really good. So yeah, highly recommend that you get one of these guys. Obviously you can get it from Maxon design, and there's TRC as well, and I'm sure there's like other companies that do it, but I've gone for the Maxon design full body kit because I just feel like it looks a lot better and it stands out more, as you can see guys. So yeah guys, that's the fifth modification that I believe you should do to your Corsa VXR. And obviously you can get these on any car, to be honest. It doesn't have to be Corsa VXR. Yeah guys, that is it for today's video. Obviously I just wanted to make a quick video for you guys, top modifications that I did to my Corsa VXR when I first brought it. I've had the car for about 2 years now, just over 2 years, but yeah, I will be mapping it in the future, probably stage 2. Next week we are getting dyno runs done on it, and we are doing another little giveaway. If you guys can guess the power in the comments on that video. So we're heading down to Wayside Performance next week. Just need to call them up, book it in, but yeah, we're going to be getting dyno runs. I'm not too sure what power it will make, probably around 190, but I don't know man, we'll see. But you guys can guess in the comments on that video, and whoever guesses correct, we're going to be doing a giveaway. But yeah guys, stay tuned for that. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Make sure you follow our Instagram as well. I'll leave a link in the description, shifting_gears with 2 S's. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.